Hi friends, in the last session we have discussed that membership operators in Python with respect to set. Okay, we discussed that membership operators in Python with respect to set, and we observed that set comprehension. Normally membership operators we observed in all data structures and in string data type also. The behavior is same, but we are using the implementation is somewhat different with respect to every data structure. Okay, but operators are same, but the implementation is different. Okay, so now today I'm going to explain one program is ways to eliminate duplicate elements present in the list. Okay, ways to eliminate. Okay, first the program will be program to eliminate eliminate duplicates eliminate duplicates present in the list. Okay, program to eliminate duplicates present in the list. Okay, so we can do by using two ways. Okay, we can eliminate eliminate by using two ways. By using two ways. Okay, we can eliminate by using two ways. We can eliminate duplicates by using two ways. We can eliminate duplicates by using two ways. One is by using set function. Second one is logical using logical. Okay, first observe what is how we can eliminate by using set function. Okay, set function. Okay, first observe here set function. Set function means first let me write a program and I will show how to remove. Okay, first observe here what I am taking means I am taking one set. Okay, I am taking one. Sorry, I'm reading list. L is equal to eval of input of list. Okay, see, enter list of values. Enter list of values. Observe carefully. So I have explained what is eval function multiple times. Okay, make sure you have to watch from the starting onwards to get clarity. Okay, if I am not using eval function, if I ask enter list of values means in the format you are giving, it's going to consider as a string. Okay, it's going to consider as a string. But if you are using eval function, if you are using eval function, automatically the input whatever you are giving, it is going to convert into the list. Okay, it's going to convert into the list. Here just I'm asking enter the list of values. Okay, you can give any format, but I'm asking explicitly list of values. Okay, list can support to duplicates. Okay, list allow duplicates, but by using this set I will remove the duplicates. Okay, now observe here s is equal to set of l. Okay, s is equal to set of l. Print of yes. Print of yes. See, I'm running this program. It is asking enter list of values. I'm giving 10 comma 20 comma 30 comma 40 comma 10 comma 20 comma 30. I'm taking. Okay, these are the values in the form of list I'm providing. Okay, so if you observe here duplicates are there. Okay, duplicates are there, but when after converting it, it should be 10 20 30 40 only. 10 20 double time it's going to remove. Okay, observe the output. If you observe So only 10, 20, 30, 40 is available only for the one time, not multiple times, because set won't allow duplicates. Okay, this is the first way of removing the duplicates by using set function. Anyway, we know, right, set won't allow duplicates. Okay, set won't allow duplicates. Next, by using logical. Okay, by using logical, right? Next thing, next by using logical. So logical means how we can do. Just I'm taking the first intention, the same information I'm taking. Okay. Here first what I'm taking means I will take each element from the list. So first I will take each element from the list for x in L. Okay, for x in L. So how many elements you are giving? First element it is going to take. After taking the element, so we have to check whether that element is available in the some particular list or not. So observe carefully. I'm giving the list here. I'm taking the first element. So that element is available in the some another list. I mean, we need for that we need to take one special variable. Okay, for that we need to take one special variable called the list. Okay, so ls is equal to list, empty list I'm taking. ls is equal to empty list I'm taking. So I'm checking that if this x is available in that or not. Okay, so how I am asking means if x not in L1, x not in, okay, x not in ls, x not in ls. See, if x is not available in that list, so then only the element is going to add to that list. Okay, then only it is going to add to that list. ls dot append, ls dot append of x, ls dot append of x. Okay, ls dot append of x. Observe carefully one more time. I will explain. First, we are reading the list of values. Okay, first we are reading the list of values. Once I am reading the list, I am taking the first element. After I am taking that first element, just I am checking that element is available in the specified list or not, some another list. So for that only I am taking the special variable. Okay, special variable that is the empty list. Okay, I am taking special variable that is called empty list. Here that x what I am taking the first element, that x element is available in the empty list or not. So I'm checking if that a variable is not available, then only I will add that element to that, I will add that element to this list. Okay, in this way we can remove the elements. Okay, in this way we can remove the elements. Okay, observe here, after removing duplicates, after removing duplicates, after removing duplicates, after removing duplicates, ls. Okay, here before removing duplicates, like here I will take this one, before removing duplicates, before removing duplicates, like here I'm taking l. Observe here the difference between for both one. Observe carefully now. I'm running the program and I'm giving here in the form of list 10 comma 20 comma 30 comma 40 comma 10 comma 20 comma 30. Okay, so now what I am taking means here I am taking the elements 10 20 30 are the duplicates. Okay, so my logic is going to remove these duplicates. That means how many times it is going to display? Only one time. These all elements only we are going to get now. Observe the output before removing the duplicates. Okay, before removing the duplicates. After removing the duplicates, nothing but this is the 1. Clear, right? So how we can remove the duplicates from the list? Okay, how we can remove the duplicate elements from the list means this is the way. Clear, right? This is nothing but removing duplicates elements from the list. This is nothing but eliminating duplicate elements from the list. Okay, okay. So this is nothing but last concept in set data structure. Okay, just I will remind one more concept is nothing but set object won't support indexing and slicing. Okay, set objects won't support indexing and slicing. A set object won't support indexing and slicing. See here, what I'm taking means I'm taking one I'm taking one empty list. Okay, I'm taking one empty set. S is equal to 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Okay, I'm taking some elements. Here what I'm taking means print accessing second element. Second element. Okay, so here 0, 1, 2. Okay, 0, 1, 2 means these elements we have to get. Next, what I am doing means accessing second element. Next, using slicing. Okay, accessing elements using slice. Elements using slice. So here what I am taking 0 colon 5. 0 colon 5. If you observe here, what error I am getting? Accessing second element. Okay, this is not possible. Okay, this is not possible. Next, if I am not if I am commenting this one, observe the second case also. Set object not subscriptable. So the second one also we are getting error. Clear, right? So by using this one, we can say that set object won't support indexing and slicing. Okay, set object won't support indexing and slicing. Clear, right? This is what we have to learn as part of set data structure. Okay, this is what we have to learn as part of set data structure. Okay, so in the next session, I am going to start about a dictionary. Okay, I am going to start about a dictionary data structure. Okay, thank you friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you are having any questions, please post your query in the comment section or reach out to my email ID in the given description. Thank you friends. Thanks for watching.